Hello guys, welcome to today's video. Today we're going to talk about Java and its data types. The contents of today's video: the introduction, the features of Java, the basic syntax and data types in Java, control flow statements in Java, primitive data types, non-primitive data types, advantages and disadvantages in Java, and its advanced features. Introduction: Java, the powerhouse of object-oriented programming, delves into the depths of software development. With its robust features and extensive libraries, it empowers developers to create efficient and scalable applications. In this exploration of Java, we will uncover the essence of object-oriented programming, discover how it revolutionizes the world of software engineering. Java is a high-level object-oriented programming language that is widely used for developing desktop, web, and mobile applications, also known for its platform independence and security features. It was developed by James Gosling and his team at Sun Microsystems in the 1980s. It was originally designed for interactive television, but its potential for internet programming was quickly recognized. Since then, Java has become one of the most popular programming languages. Features of Java: platform independence. It is platform independent, meaning it can run on any operating system or hardware platform as long as a Java virtual machine is installed. Object-oriented programming. It follows the object-oriented programming paradigm, allowing for modular and reusable code. It supports concepts such as encapsulation, inheritance, and polymorphism. Automatic memory management. Java has a garbage collector that automatically manages memory allocation and deallocation. This relieves developers from manual memory management, reducing the risk of memory leaks and improving overall program efficiency. Built-in security features. It provides built-in security features such as bytecode verification, automatic memory management, and a robust security model. This makes it as such a secure language for developing applications, especially in the context of networked environments. Basic syntax and data types of Java. Variables. Variables in Java can hold different types of data such as integers, floating point numbers, characters, and booleans. Operators. Java provides various operators for performing arithmetic, logical, and relational operators. Control flow statements. Control flow statements such as if, else, for, while, and switch allow you to control the execution of code based on certain conditions. Data structures. Java provides various data structures such as arrays, lists, and maps to store and manipulate collections of data. Control flow statements in Java. Control flow statements are used to control the flow of execution in programs based on specified conditions. The if-else statement allows the program to execute different blocks of code based on a specified condition. Switch statements provide a way to select one of many code blocks to be executed based on the value of a variable. Loops such as for loop, while loop, and do while loop allow for repeated execution of a block of code. Conditional operators such as the ternary operator provide a concise way to elevate and assign values based on a condition. Data types can be classified into two types: primitive data types and non-primitive data types. Primitive data types specifies the size and type of variable values, and it has no additional methods. There are 8 primitive data types in Java: byte, short, int, long, float, double, boolean, and character. Integer types store whole numbers, positive or negative, without decimals, while the types are byte, short, int, and long. Which type you should use depends on the numeric value. Floating point types represent numbers with a fractional part containing one or more decimals. There are two types: float and double. Byte. The byte data type can store whole numbers from -128 to 127. This can be used instead of int or other integer types to save memory when you are certain that the value will be within 128 and 127. Short. The short data type can store whole numbers from -32,768 to 30,767. Int. The int data type can store whole numbers from -2147483648 to 2147483647. In general and in our tutorial, the int data type is the preferred data type when we create variables and with a numeric value. Long. The long data type can store whole numbers from 9223372036854777580 to 92237203685477580. This is used when int is not large enough to store the value. Note that you should end the value with an L. Floating point types. You should use a floating point type whenever you need a number with decimals such as 9.99 or 3.14515. The float and double data types can store fractional numbers. Note that you should end the value with an F for floats and D for doubles. But Boolean types. For this, Java has a Boolean data type which can only take the values true or false. Characters. The char data type is used to store a single character. The character must be surrounded by single quotes like A or C. Non-primitive data types. They are reference types because they refer to objects. They are created by the programmer and is not defined by Java, except for string. They can be used to call methods to perform certain operations while primitive types cannot. Examples of non-primitive types are strings, arrays, classes, interface, etc. Strings. Strings are used for storing text. A string variable contains a collection of characters surrounded by double quotes. Arrays. Arrays are used to store multiple values in a single variable. Instead of declaring separate variables for each value, to declare an array, define the variable type with square brackets. Class. A class is like an object constructor or a blueprint for creating objects. Interfaces. Another way to achieve abstraction in Java is with interfaces. An interface is a completely abstract class that is used to group related methods with empty bodies. Advantages. Platform independence. It is a platform independent, meaning the Java programs can run on any operating system or platform that has a GVM. This allows for greater flexibility and portability of applications. Object-oriented programming. It is an object-oriented programming, which means it supports the concepts of encapsulation, inheritance, and polymorphism, which allows for modular and reusable code, making development more efficient and maintainable. Automatic memory management. It has built-in automatic memory management, also known as garbage collection. This feature free developers from manually managing memory allocation and deallocation, reducing the risk of memory leaks and improving application performance. Large standard library. It comes with a large standard library that provides a wide range of pre-built classes and methods for programming tasks. This saves developers time and effort by offering ready-to-use solutions for various functions such as file handling, networking, and user interface development. Disadvantages. Slow performance. One of the main disadvantages of Java is its slow performance compared to lower level languages. This is because Java programs are run on a virtual machine, which adds an extra layer of abstraction and can slow down the execution speed. Higher memory usage. Java programs tend to use more memory compared to lower languages. This is because Java has automatic memory management, which requires additional memory overhead to keep track of objects and perform garbage collection. Steeper learning curve. Java has a steeper learning curve compared to some other programming languages, especially for beginners, as it has a more complex syntax and requires a deeper understanding of object-oriented programming principles. Advanced features. Exploring the power of object-oriented programming offers advanced features that enhance code organization, reusability, and modularity. Concepts like inheritance, polymorphism, and encapsulation allow developers to build complex and scalable applications. Understanding and utilizing these features effectively can take your Java programming skills to the next level and empower you to create robust and efficient software solutions. And that brings us to the conclusion of the video. Thank you for watching.